After several tense days marked by cross border shelling and airspace violations, India and Pakistan have agreed to an immediate ceasefire to all military operations. The breakthrough came Saturday afternoon following a call between the Directors General of Military Operations of both nations. At 3:35 pm, Pakistan's DGMO reached out to his Indian counterpart, and by mutual agreement, all firing and military activity by land, sea, and air was ordered to cease starting 5 pm local time. The two military leaders are scheduled to speak again at noon on May 12th to assess the situation. India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri confirmed the development, while External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar emphasized that India remains resolute in its stand against terrorism in all forms. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump also weighed in, stating on his platform that the ceasefire followed a night of negotiations mediated by the United States. He congratulated both countries for choosing what he called common sense and great intelligence. However, Indian officials clarified that the ceasefire understanding was reached directly between New Delhi and Islamabad. Meanwhile, Pakistan's Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar affirmed the agreement on social media, reiterating his country's commitment to regional peace while firmly upholding its sovereignty and territorial integrity. This marks a significant de escalation in hostilities between the two nuclear armed neighbors.